Welcome to Ton Orbital. I'm Tonio, and today I'll guide you through the process of staking Scale on ddust.io in our TonOrbital video guides. Let's get started. First, ensure your wallet is connected to ddust.io and contains Scale tokens for staking. Open the Stake section. Then, tap on the Stake button. Specify the amount of Scale you want to stake. Remember, on ddust.io, you can stake only Scale, the native token. After specifying the amount, tap on the Stake button to verify your transaction and proceed with the staking process. Your wallet will ask for a confirmation to finalize the transaction. Confirm this action in your wallet. To ensure your transaction was successful, check the Stake section. Your staked token should show up in a few minutes, and rewards will appear daily. And that's it. You've successfully staked Scale on ddust.io. Thank you for watching this TonOrbital video guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials on Ton blockchain. For more details and updates, join our Telegram channel at TonOrbital. See you next time.